Hello kiddies, this video will share you that cute easy drawing of alligator and also some facts about alligators. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Alligators are reptiles. Number 2. There are two different species of alligator in the world. One is American alligator and 2 is Chinese alligator. Number 3. Like other reptiles, alligators are cold-blooded. Number 4. Alligators have been living on Earth for millions of years and are sometimes it's described as living fossils. Wow! Number 5. Alligators can weigh over 450 kilograms. Oh! Number 7. Alligators and crocodiles are very different species. And number 8. Alligators have a powerful bite, but the muscles that open the jaw are relatively weak. That an adult human could hold the jaws of an alligator shut with their bare hands. Number 9. Alligator is the freshwater reptiles. Number 10. Alligators eat range of different animals such as fish, birds, turtles, and even sometimes deer. Number 11. Alligators are less likely to attack humans than crocodile. Number 12. Alligators' eggs become male or female depending on the temperature. Male is warmer temperature and female will form in cold temperature. Number 13. Alligators can survive in salt water. Number 14. They can run fast but tire quickly. It's run up to 35 miles per hour. Number 15. Alligators' eyes glow in the dark. Wow! Number 16. They thrive in slow-moving water-like lakes. Number 17. Alligators can go through 3,000 teeth over its lifetime. Number 18. Mother alligators care for their young one, unlike most reptiles. Number 19. Alligators spend months in gator holes. Number 20. Alligators are the loudest reptile in the world. Thanks to watch kiddies. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of alligator and also facts about alligators. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel to get more videos like this. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.